Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about how we can change the direction of linear. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WinProLadder software and here we will configure our analog input. Take the function and here we will use that move command. In previous lecture, we used that data register of D4076, but first we have to be right, for example D10, and here we have to be right D4076. This is what I will explain you little. See which I am using. This first we have to make it online first because of our click it OK and make the program online and click it OK. IO numbering, and this is showing this one. Yeah, this model we will using that BD FPS2A1D, means two digital inputs and one digital output. Input register 4D4072, this is input register, and this is output register D4076. This 4076 is why I am using. This is our analog input value, sorry, output value, because of we will give this value to our linear voltage. Because of this linear is maximum 12 volts can be read, and after 12 volts this we will be converting this input take resistance in D4072. And in second row we will take it one more function here and click it OK, and here we will choose D4073. In previous video we used this 4072. Now in this video we will use 4703, second channel of our analog module. And here we will take any data register. For example, this is D10, this is D20 we will choose. This data register just I will use for this is analog value voltage output voltage, because of this is the analog output register D4076. I will give some voltage, for example some bits or some value. This will be provide to us 0 to 10 volt. At the 4000 lump sum, this is giving the near around 5 to 6 volts, and 5 to 6 volts after we will convert in the length of our linear. So this is, and 4073 we will use for this is input register of our linear. And in next we will choose one more function. This value we will first we have to be convert in integer to fraction. So here we will choose D20 data register, this one, and we will take in another D30, for example D30, and one more data we will choose in next here F division, this one FDIV, and here we will choose D30 D30, and here we will choose, for example, if we will give the 4000 value of our total length of our linear have to be multiply. Sorry, make it divide. Take it calculator, for example. This is 4000 bits, divide by 80, for example. This is our coming 50. So we will divide by 50, and answer we will take in D40, for example, and click it OK. Now in next we will choose what? Now simply this part I will download to the PLC and I will show you this first. See now, it is our D10 not have any value, and also our D4073 is not have any value, because of if we not giving any value, this voltage is not come out. We will open our status monitoring, and our D10 we will write it here. D10, for example, we will write, and here we will give some bits. For example, I will give 4000 bits. 4000 bits when I give, now it's giving some voltage. This is near around 5 to 6 voltage, I think so, or 7 voltage look like. And at the D4073 it's coming this value near around 3996, and our value is last coming how much? This is 79 look like. For example, I will put it here, for example 4002 value. After here is also same value coming 4000, for example 5 if value giving. After here is total bits coming 4000, and 4000 when we will divide, after this is 80 mm will be complete. This in previous lecture already I explained about how this formula we can use for this to create the mm. So one more time we have to be make this one integer to fraction. Here make it function, and this again we will take this value integer to fraction to integer. Because of this floating value we need the real value, that's D40. We will take it in other data register D50, for example, and now this value is, make it first run. Okay, now see, we gives this 4000 value, for example, at the D4073, and it's direct coming this 80 value, 80 mm. Because of this 80 value, but our linear is in now just close condition, not open. And how we can change this direction? For example, we have to be in this lecture, our motivation, we have to be change the direction. So what we will do, stop the PLC, and we will choose it here one function more, and here we will choose for subtraction command. Subtraction will command, choose it here. D50 is our this mm, 80 mm, for example. This D50 we will choose it here also T60, for example. Any other data register we will choose, or also we can choose direct value, but if we like to be changed many times or testing, we have better, this is we will choose data register, and we will take the answer in D70. And here we will first this part we will clear, or also one more we will take the command, after we will make online. Here we will choose, this is integer to fraction, subtraction, multiplication, MUL when we write multiplication. And here what we will choose, which data register we will make it, D60, and D70 is our answer coming, D70. And here we will take D80 for example, and we will take the answer in D90 and click it OK. Now first we will download to the PLC, and after we will set this all values. So now simply if I can show you, this is our 80 value. When I open my linear, after this value is look like same coming in decreasing type. And so what we will do, this is 80 and this D60, take it this one, this all we will delete first, after nothing will be any confusion or something, you will be better understand. Here we will take this D60, and this is here D80, click it OK. And this subtraction command, D80 value we will minus from this one 80. If we make this minus for 80, it will be 0. And here this D80 we will multiply by 1. And now if we move our value, it's coming in minus condition. For example, see, this our value is coming minus. So what we do, this is here we will take it minus 80. For example, here this one, no, not minus 80, here we have to be take 80 only just, and this is here when we will open, and here coming this one minus value, minus 1 for example, minus 1, and now our value will be coming in the opposite direction. You can see this one, now our value is coming at 25, 26. As we will increase this one, when open our linear, our value will be increased. And here if you can see, this is value at the D50, this one is value decreasing, right? When this will be 0, after here our value will be completed at 80. And as I close this linear, after value will be at D50 will be decrease, so, and here will be increase. See, at the D90 it goes to be 0, and at here you can see this the D50 increased this value. So now also I will show you at my HMI display. This we will make it down little, this no need to be explained. This is D1000 is our total value first. This is the old lecture, but now in this lecture which we are using, this D90. D90 is our final value coming. So this data register we will change D90. D90, and this one also, our slider also we will change this data register in D90. And D600, this is the set value. This is in previous lecture already I explained where you like to be stop your linear and like to be make it on off with your any solenoid valve or what you like to be operate. This is that, but just only we have to be check this is direction how will change. So this is we will download to the HMI. When all finished, after make it exit. Now we make the exit and we will check our simulation at the we will wait for a second. Here our I think so complete D90s we have to be see the value, and I will remove my HMI cable and make it online. Now I will open my VNC viewer. Now this we will be make it continue and see now our see now here, but this is not show will be show. See when I move by this linear after here is increasing the value. This is 15, 16, and I will and I am opening my linear. But first when we opening after our value decreased, but now it's increased. This data register little I think so have a problem with this one. This D90 we have to be check first. Go to the PLC again. But this is we have to be change this one. What's the problem? D90. This value we high limit we have to be changed this 90. This is our mistake. And click it OK again and download to the again HMI. When you're making the addressing of your PLC and in HMI, this you have to be careful. Must be this is the rule. First you have to be make some drawing and after write this all datas and after you can easily change in your HMI and open your VNC viewer. Continue and this is now open. See now our linear is now totally closed. When I will open it's now opening. Now our length is increasing. See when 20 mm will be completed, after this length also will be completed. Now see it at this 20 mm our linear is at the position of 20 mm. This why little graph is I think so little here and there, this we have to be make setting, and when I will move more this will be go at the 40 mm, 37, 40, this is 40. This 5 mm difference why showing, because of this is our this lines we have to be making adjust, otherwise our value will be same. And when you make it this one more, this will be coming at this one, this is 60, and this value will be how much, this is after 80 mm complete. So this graph just we have to be little manage and it will be goes to 0. And also you can check here in go to the HMI, and here you can check again. This is increment and var cruise increment. This is high limit is 90 we put. This is wrong. Our high limit is 80 because of value of our linear length is total 80 mm. Why this difference showing? Because of this limit we make it wrong. Click it again, OK, and download to the HMI, and again we will check. Reboot HMI, and now click it OK. Exit. VNC viewer open, and this one close, also this close, and this we will make. Now again we will cross check this one. Now I open my linear, and is now 20. Now our graph is exact 20 mm is showing, and as I more move, when 40 mm will be completed, after this will be exact have to be this line coming. See, now our mm's are exact showing, and when the last this one will be, when I move this is little more, this is our 60 mm, and when I open my full linear after, you can see this is at the 80 mm. So this is the, I think so, easiest way to the change the direction of your linear. And also you can use the graph in Vintic HMI. How can make and design? This is very simple and easy way. If you not understand anything in this lecture, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.